Why does a mosquito fly past three warm bodies and drill into you like you owe it money? A female mosquito can drink 3 times her body weight in blood, and the reason she picks you is more disturbing than sweet blood. She is not guessing. She is reading an invisible trail coming off your body right now. That trail has a shape. It has heat. It has chemicals. And in some unlucky bodies, it practically screams dinner. Here's the creepy part. You might not be able to shower it away. Remember that invisible trail. It comes back. The easy answer is that you have sweet blood. That is what every barbecue scientist says. Your aunt says it, your friend says it, the mosquito on your ankle seems to agree. But mosquitoes do not taste your blood first. They choose you before their needle touches skin. That ruins the sweet blood theory immediately. So maybe it is blood type. This one is half true, which makes it more annoying. Some studies found mosquitoes prefer type O blood over type A. One study found type O volunteers got more landings. But wait, that does not explain your life. Blood type is one small clue. It is not the steering wheel. A mosquito does not open your medical file. She follows a cloud, and that cloud starts with your breath. Every time you exhale, you release carbon dioxide. To you, it vanishes. To a mosquito, it is a flare gun. Mosquitoes have sensors tuned to carbon dioxide. They can follow pulsing trails through moving air. It is like smelling popcorn from another room, except the popcorn is your face. This is why adults often get bitten more than small children. Bigger bodies usually breathe out more carbon dioxide. This is also why exercise can turn you into a buffet. Your breathing gets heavier, your skin gets warmer, your sweat chemistry changes. But here's the problem. Everyone breathes. So why you? Carbon dioxide does not tell her who you are. It only says something alive is over there. Then she needs a second password. That password is heat. After the carbon dioxide pulls her close, warmth sharpens the target. Your body is a soft infrared landing pad. Your ankles, wrists, neck, and face leak heat differently. Mosquitoes use that warmth to find bare skin. And if you are sweating, it gets worse. Sweat adds moisture. Mosquitoes love humid skin because it means blood is nearby. A dry plastic chair gives no reward. A damp ankle does. But heat and breath still are not enough. Two friends can sit side by side. One gets 10 bites, the other gets smug. So here comes the weird layer. You are not only you are also a walking zoo. Your skin is covered in bacteria. They live in your pores, hair follicles, and sweat. They eat what your skin leaks. Then they release smells into the air. That sounds disgusting. It is also your personal mosquito barcode. Mosquitoes are strongly attracted to chemicals from human skin. These include lactic acid, ammonia, and carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are especially important. They are oily, sour-smelling molecules your skin releases. You might not notice them. A mosquito does. To her, they are neon arrows. In recent experiments with Aedes aegypti, some volunteers were mosquito magnets. Their skin gave off higher levels of certain carboxylic acids. The wild part was the effect lasted over years. Remember the invisible trail? That is it. It is not one smell. It is your chemical weather. You can wash your skin, you can change your shirt, but your body keeps rebuilding the same cloud, like a smoke machine under your skin. Now the story gets even more personal. Your genes help shape that cloud. Twin studies suggest mosquito attraction has a genetic component. Identical twins smell more similar to mosquitoes than non-identical twins. So if mosquitoes love you, blame your family. Not emotionally, chemically. But do not let your bacteria take all the blame. Your choices still matter. Drink alcohol, and some mosquitoes may find you more attractive. A small study found beer increased mosquito landings. Scientists still argue over exactly why, but the result is rude enough to remember. Exercise can also betray you. You produce more carbon dioxide. Your skin warms up. Your sweat carries more lactic acid. You become a moving food truck with calves. Pregnancy can do something similar. One study in the Gambia found pregnant women attracted about twice as many malaria mosquitoes. They exhaled more carbon dioxide. Their abdomens were slightly warmer. That is not folklore. That is biology waving a flag. And then there is clothing. This sounds too simple, but it matters. Some mosquitoes are more drawn to dark colors. Aedes aegypti also responds strongly to red and orange wavelengths after smelling carbon dioxide. Your black hoodie is not just a fashion choice, it may be a landing strip. So no, mosquitoes are not choosing you because your blood is dessert. They are choosing you before blood enters the story. They smell your breath. They track your heat. They read your skin bacteria. They notice your sweat, clothes, and chemistry. Here is the full answer. Mosquitoes bite you more because your body creates a stronger target signal. More carbon dioxide gets them close. Your warmth and moisture guide the landing. Your skin chemicals tell them you are human. And your personal microbial cloud tells them you are worth stabbing. Blood type might tilt the odds. Beer might tilt them. Exercise might tilt them. Pregnancy might tilt them. Dark clothes might tilt them. But the real magnet is the whole cloud. You are not a person to a mosquito. You are a smell-shaped map. And now for the part nobody talks about. The bite is not the main event. The bite is just the delivery system. A mosquito does not simply poke a hole. She saws through your skin with tiny mouth parts. Then she spits saliva into you. That saliva stops your blood from clotting. Your immune system notices and panics. That panic becomes the itchy bump. So the itch is not the wound. The itch is your body reacting to mosquito spit. You are allergic to the robbery node. And with some mosquito species, that spit can carry disease. Malaria, dengue, Zika, yellow fever, and West Nile virus all use mosquitoes. That is why mosquitoes are often called the deadliest animals on Earth. They help spread infections that kill hundreds of thousands each year. This makes their pickiness horrifying. A mosquito does not bite randomly. Disease risk can follow the same invisible preferences. The body that smells louder may get targeted more often. There's another strange twist. Mosquitoes can learn. Research shows they can associate certain human odors with a bad experience. If you swat and miss, she may change her behavior. Not because she respects you, because survival rewards memory. Imagine that. The insect you hate might be learning your smell, and you are learning nothing except where you scratched. Your bathroom cabinet makes more sense now. Repellents like DEET and picaridin do not make you invisible. They confuse the mosquito's chemical senses. They smear the map. They turn your bright sign into static. Fans work for a cruder reason. Mosquitoes are weak flyers. Moving air breaks your carbon dioxide plume. It also makes landing harder. A cheap fan can erase the trail better than panic slapping. Long sleeves help because they hide heat and skin odor. Light colors may help with some species. Dumping standing water helps most of all. No larvae means fewer hunters. But the unfair truth remains. Some bodies are simply louder. You can reduce the signal. You may not erase it. That is why one person can leave a picnic untouched. You can leave looking like bubble wrap. Same sunset, same table, different chemical weather. So the next time one finds you first, it is not because you are cursed. It is because an ancient sensor system solved you. It followed your breath through the dark. It checked your heat. It read the microbes on your skin. Then it decided your body was the best place to raise its eggs. You are not chosen because your blood is sweet. You are chosen because the air around you has a name. And that connects to something even stranger. Why can one bite make your body itch for days? If this scratched the right part of your brain, subscribe to Mind Itch. A new question every single day.